Hey there, welcome to a short tutorial about embedding features within your Weebly page. So here I am in my example Weebly website. This is the edit mode. As you can see here in edit, it just says education.weebly.com/weebly/main. If I were to copy and paste that and share it, the other person, whoever they were, would not be able to access my page. This is the website of the web address of the edit mode. In order to share my website, it must have the name of my website. So I call mine Sally Student. So this is the one that you need to share. Do not share anything that says just education.weebly.com because that's not a proper link. Anyway, so I'm going to add some features, let's say to my lecture capture. I'm going to make sure I'm in build, and then I'm going to look to the left here and I'll just delete these out so that I can demonstrate how to add them. So in order to delete anything, you just need to hover over the box, and then you go into, there's always an X to the right, and that is just the delete for whatever you add. So here it says choose a layout, so I know that there is nothing on this page. So I might start with a title. I'm going to place that there, and then beneath the title I'm going to add some text. Make sure that I'm going to put that title on top. There's the title. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger. Then I've added text. I'm going to then add an image place marker. Anything that's a JPEG or a GIF, it's going to go there. Make sure that that took. There we go. There it is. And then under that, I'm going to add some more text. There it is. I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm also going to add embed code place marker. I can always add a divider if I wanted to, if I had multiple items within one page. And then I'm going to add a text again, and then I don't think that embed code stuck, so I'm going to place it there again. Let me see if that, yes, that loaded properly. And then I'm going to add a document place marker. So these are the three main types of place markers you'll use. So in my title, I would write something about what I'm doing. Here in the text, this is where I'd put my reflection, so I've just copied and pasted that in. I always encourage students to put this in every single page at the very beginning of the course, so it serves as a reminder so you don't forget to add the reflection. The reflection for some of the assignments is actually part of your grade, so if you forget to put a reflection in, it's going to lose you points. So it's just a good idea at the very beginning of the course is to put this reflection place marker on every single page. Next, I'm going to upload an image. There's two ways to do it. One, you can just click on it and then click upload a photo, like that. And then, so I can't click anything here because these are PDFs. So if I were to click on images, and there. So these are PNGs. I can also add JPEGs, and if there were a GIF, I would be able to add that too. So then I would just click on it. The second way to do it is to drag. Okay, so you can either upload or, so I have a file here and I can just drag it over and drop. Sometimes if you click on the image place marker, occasionally there's some kind of glitch and it will not allow you to do it by using the upload. So if that doesn't work, always try the drag option. I've got some text here, so I'm going to put in my reflection. Next is the HTML. So this is when you are embedding your audio or your video. So it says edit custom HTML. So whatever you're embedding, so here I have a SoundCloud. I've encouraged students to use Audio Boom. you're going to copy the embed code. The embed code is always going to be within these two lesser and greater symbols. You can see here the height 450. You can change that number and it's going to change the height of your audio file. So I would copy that and then I'm going to edit, double click on there, I'm going to paste it in, and if I click on it, ta-da, it goes in. Okay. Now this also works if it was a video file. So here I've got, this is in YouTube, and again it tells you the height. Well, this one tells you the width and the height. You can manually change that to whatever size you like. So if you think that it's too tall or too wide, you can change those. It also allows you, if you click on more, to play with the sizes here as well. So I can click on this embed code as well, and then if I go back to my Weebly, I can, let me add another embed code. So this one I'm going to put underneath here. Actually, try that again. There we go. And so I could paste that in. There we go. That's tiny. So if I wanted to, I could. So if I wanted it to be wide, I could change that to 520. And if I clicked out, see, so that's slightly wider. And you can play with the adjustments there. Pop it in there. And then finally, a document. So again, you can either click on it, say upload, and then find a text file. Let's say articles. There we go. So I could upload that. And again, if clicking on that upload a document does not work, then what I can always do is find the document here and then just drag. Now I can drag it over. I can see the little plus mark, and that's going to do it. So if I click publish, so there we go. I'm going to click on my website. I'm going to go to lecture capture, and then everything should be in place. So I've got my title, I've got my reflection, I've got an image here. Here I've got my audio file. That works. Got some more text. I've got my video. There we go. And then we have here the document. It's just taking a little bit of time. There we go. And that's how you can upload all the elements you need into your Weebly page. Hope you found this helpful.